Is it a bird? Or is it a mammal, such as a dog, a cat, or a camel?
Easy to answer. Do you know whether it dresses in fur or it dresses in feather?
All birds fly. I know. That's true.
Then I have got news for you. Most birds fly, but not all do.
Flightless? Birds?
There are a few. Penguins' wings are useless things for leaving land and rising, but penguins dive in Arctic seas at speeds that are surprising. Ostriches weigh much too much to fly on muscle power, but they run faster than birds fly at 50 miles an hour.
Birds lay eggs.
Indeed they do, but certain reptiles lay eggs too. If it's a bird, it has one feature that makes it a bird, not other creature. We'll know it's a bird when we know whether it dresses in fur or it dresses in feather.